Assalamu alaikum. This is Mohammad Tariq Habibullah, who is going to present our deep learning project. The other members of the project are Mohammad Simon Shariar and Khondukar Al Mamun. The title of our project is Bengali Handwritten Paragraph Recognition. So, from the title, it can be understood that we have applied the deep learning knowledge to our mother tongue, Bengali, in the project. So our project is mainly image processing and character recognition task. So we have done feature extraction and prediction of characters to accomplish our project. We know several characters make up a sentence, a word, and several words make up a sentence, and several sentences constitute the whole paragraph. And this is how paragraph have been recognized by the model based on character recognition. So these are the procedures for training the model. So at first data set of Bengali characters has been collected, and the Bengali characters include numerals, vowels, consonants, punctuation marks, and even a space between two words. Then we have then each of the Bengali characters, that means image of a Bengali characters has been passed through the CNN or convolutional neural network, and this CNN have extracted the feature of image of each of the Bengali characters, and then the classification. Then we have done a classification, and through classification, the extracted feature by CNN have has been corresponded to the Bengali character. Then we have done optimization process through 20 epochs, and for optimization, we have employed ADAM technique. So these are the procedures for paragraph recognition process. So at first, we have given input paragraph sample. Then the whole paragraph has been divided into characters. Then each of the characters have been tested by the model. Then the model will provide the predicted character. Then, uh, then the predicted character has been concatenated with the previous characters. So in concatenation processes, the predicted characters by the model have uh, have formed a word. Then the words have formed sentences, and sentences have formed paragraph. And this is how the input paragraph has been recognized by the model, and that and model. And in our project, the model has a in the this is how we have accomplished the recognition process of the Bengali handwritten paragraph. So this is one of the CNN architectures that has been employed in our project. So this is the image of a Bengali character O, and this input image has been passed through two layers of convolution and pooling layers. So this is convolution and this is max pooling, and this is convolution and this is max pooling. So after that, the feature of this input image have been extracted, and the extracted feature is converted into a one-dimensional array through flattening process. Then we have employed a dropout technique in order to prevent the overfitting of the train model. Then we have applied softmax for classification, and after classification, the model will provide the predicted class or predicted character for this input image of Bengali character O. This is another architecture. The difference between this architecture and the previous one is there is an additional layer of convolution and max pooling. So these the image of Bengali character to have been passed through three layers of convolution and max pooling. After that, the feature of this image has been extracted, and the extracted feature is converted into one-dimensional array. And this one-dimensional array is a flattened layer. Then we have employed a dropout technique in order to prevent the overfitting. Then softmax has been applied for the classification. For after classification, this model will provide the predicted class or predicted character of this image of Bengali character to. This is how we have divided a word into characters. So for example, this is a Bengali word desher. So word desher has been divided into three characters. These include de, she, and ro, and each of the character has to be tested as part of our recognition process. So this is one of the input paragraph samples, and this is sample A, which consists of few words. And this is the output, this and recognized paragraph by architecture A. And this is another output, and and this is the recognized paragraph predicted by architecture B. This is another input paragraph sample, and this is sample B, which consists of many words and two sentences. And these two sentences are divided by full stop. And this is our output for paragraph sample B. And this is the recognized paragraph predicted by architecture B. A, sorry. And this is another recognized paragraph which has been predicted by architecture B. In both recognized paragraph, we see several words are completely inaccurate. But in the inaccurate words, we have observed that several characters are accurate. And this is the analysis section. And this analysis section displays the training accuracy of CNN architectures. So training accuracy for both architectures is close to 100%. For architecture A, training accuracy is slightly larger than that for architecture B. And this section shows the testing accuracy of two paragraph samples. For sample A, the training accuracy of testing accuracy of both architecture is 100%. But for sample B, the testing accuracy of architecture both architecture is like 85 to 86%. For architecture A, the training accuracy is slightly larger than that for architecture B. So the testing accuracy, how is the testing accuracy calculated? Testing accuracy is equal to the number of accurate predicted characters by the model divided by the total number of characters in the paragraph sample. So this is how testing accuracy of both samples of paragraph have has been calculated. So this is the data set source. So some of the Bengali characters have been collected from Bangla Lekha, which which has which has been which were made 10 years ago, and we created the remaining characters for to accomplish our project. And I ha, ha, with other members have contributed a lot to the creation of the remaining characters. So these are the references for our project. So the first reference has employed CNN architecture A, and the second reference has employed CNN architecture B. So, and the last reference corresponds to Bangla Lekha, from which some of the Bengali characters have been collected. So that's all for the today. That's all for our project. So I will thank you, Professor Dr. Ariful sir, to give us opportunity to accomplish this project. So thank you again.